What is the value of this infinite cube root expression? Let x equal the entire expression. This part of the expression also equals x, since it repeats infinitely. By replacing the marked part with x, we get x equals cube root of 9 plus x. Cube both sides to eliminate the cube root. Move all terms to one side. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. Let's try to solve this equation graphically first. We plot y equals x cubed minus x minus 9. Let's zoom in on the part where the graph crosses the x-axis. The graph intersects the x-axis at approximately x equals 2.24. This gives us a visual approximation of the solution. Now let's solve it algebraically using Cardano's formula. If we have a depressed cubic equation of the form, then the root of the equation can be found using this formula. Here, p is -1 and q is -9. Using these values, we get a equals 9/2 and b equals -1/3. Now we substitute a and b into the formula to get this expression for x. This evaluates to approximately 2.24, which matches the value we found using the graphical method. Was it what you expected? Let me know in the comments.